Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on clock icon at the top left corner. Following that, select this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you finished, click on ringtone and tap on pre-installed ringtones over here. Now you can click on apply next to the best one for you and select OK in the pop-up. You can also select choose local ringtone instead. Tap on one of those sources and set up song from your device by clicking on it and tapping on the check mark at the bottom. Now click on repeat and select the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday or custom. If you wish to pick custom, after clicking on it, set up days of the week manually and save them by hitting OK. Now click on the switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And lastly, click on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. Lastly, tap on the check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. You can switch it off completely by tapping on blue switcher next to it and clicking on one of those options in the pop-up. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!